In this video, we're going to learn how to create professional certificates using Canva. Certificates are widely used in educational institutions, businesses, training programs, workshops, webinars, conferences, seminars, competitions, and award ceremonies. Instead of designing a certificate from scratch, Canva provides hundreds of professionally designed templates that save both time and effort while delivering excellent results. Let's begin. Open your web browser. On the search bar, type Canva. Open this link. You can also directly visit this website by typing canva.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you can create a free account in just a few minutes. On this website, you will get many options, like magic layers, presentation, social media, videos, and many more. On the search box, I will type certificate and press enter. Within a few seconds, Canva displays hundreds of certificate templates in different styles. One of the biggest advantages of Canva is the variety it offers. Whether you need a simple academic certificate, an elegant certificate of appreciation, a corporate training certificate, or a colorful award certificate, you'll find plenty of options. Take a few moments to browse through the available designs. You'll notice that some certificates have a clean white background with a minimal layout, making them ideal for schools, colleges, universities, and professional organizations. Others include gold borders, decorative graphics, gradients, and premium-looking layouts that are perfect for award ceremonies or recognition events. As you scroll further, you'll also find certificates designed for specific themes, such as sports achievements, gaming tournaments, employee recognition, volunteer appreciation, workshops, online courses, and children's events. This means you don't have to spend hours designing everything yourself. You simply choose a template that closely matches your requirements and customize it. When selecting a certificate, think about your audience. If you're creating certificates for a university or professional training program, a clean and formal design usually works best. On the other hand, if you're organizing a creative competition or an award ceremony, a more colorful and visually appealing template may leave a stronger impression. For this demonstration, I'll choose one of the modern certificate templates with vibrant colors and a bold design. To start editing, simply click on the template and then select Customize this template. Now the certificate opens inside Canva's editor, where every element is fully editable. Let's begin by changing the recipient's name. Simply click on the existing name and type your own text. Next, edit the description below it. You can replace the sample wording with details about your course, workshop, seminar, conference, or training program. You can also modify the title at the top. Instead of Certificate of Completion, you might want to use Certificate of Achievement, Certificate of Participation, Certificate of Excellence, Employee Recognition Award, or any other title that suits your event. Now let's customize the organization details. Similarly, you can replace the organization name with your company name, school, university, college, institute, NGO, or business name. Now let's look at customization options. One of Canva's greatest strengths is that almost every design element can be modified. If you don't like the existing color combination, simply click on a shape or graphic and choose a different color from the color palette. You can experiment with gradient colors, solid colors, corporate brand colors, or elegant gold and silver themes depending on your organization's branding. Notice that when you change one design element, Canva often suggests applying the same color throughout the entire design, helping you maintain a consistent and professional appearance. You can also resize objects, move decorative elements, remove unnecessary graphics, change fonts, adjust text size, or replace icons with different ones from Canva's Elements library. Once you've completed all your edits, it's always a good idea to carefully proofread the certificate. Double-check the recipient's name, spelling, dates, organization details, and now let's download the certificate. Click the Share button located in the upper right corner and select Download. Canva offers several download options, including JPG, PNG, PDF Standard, PDF Print, and PPTX. If you're planning to print the certificate professionally, PDF Print is usually the best option because it provides higher print quality. If you're sharing certificates digitally through email or social media, PNG or JPG are excellent choices. That's all for this tutorial. I hope you found this video helpful and now feel confident creating your own certificates using Canva. If you enjoyed this tutorial and would like to learn more about Canva, AI tools, research productivity, and other useful digital applications, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.